It's time to learn! Welcome to Haika Kids! Let's have fun!
5 little sharks swimming in the sea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 little shark swam away. 1 little shark swam away. Now there are 4. Now there are 2. Now there is 1. Then 5 little sharks came back to play.
That was fun! Like, share, and subscribe! Ring that bell! See you soon!